First car for the day is this 2011 BMW 3 Series, which is going for 66,900. It is a category B, meaning you can't finance the car. So it has 199,949 kilometers on the clock. This car has a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder petrol engine producing 115 kilowatts of power and 210 newton meters of torque. It has a 6-speed automatic transmission with a fuel consumption of 8 liters per 100 kilometers and a fuel tank capacity of 60 liters. So according to the technical report of this car has 5 issues, which are multi-working lights, vehicle smoke, boot doesn't open, tires are smooth, engine really smoke. So the body of the car, it is still okay. You only have few scratches there and there, but they are nothing. So all the windows are tinted, as you can see. The interior, it is cream white. You have your electric windows right there, your multifunction steering wheel, your gear right there, your standard audio system. Yeah, man, the car, it is okay for a project. So if you wanna do a project or a stunt, I think this BMW is the one. So yeah, man. So right here I was opening this thing. So the engine bay, it is still okay. As you can see, the engine right there, everything seems like is okay. But you know BMWs, man. You know BMWs, but yeah, man. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.